Honestly, with all these gurus and people on YouTube and TikTok, Instagram, I don't know why no one has taught this strategy yet. Because it's honestly so proven to work that I have like very minimal evidence of it ever failing. So guys, like I'm gonna get straight into the video. I don't want to make it too long, quick and easy. I'm gonna show you my strategy and then a live example in the charts. And please do me a favor, stay to the end. You're gonna be extremely happy, especially if you're looking for a strategy, especially in ICT, and you want a strategy that's proven to work. Stay to this end of the video. You will absolutely love me. Trust me. Watch it. So let's say this is what you see on the charts. First thing you want to do is you want to draw out your sell side liquidity. That's when your liquidity gets swept from hitting a low. Now we draw an SMT. These are the two things: sell side liquidity, or it could be buy side liquidity, paired with an SMT. The second you see this, you know automatically that you're going to be going back into your zone. So now we look for an entry. What do you want to look for an entry? Inversion fair value gap right at the bottom. Right before it breaks through, you see an inversion, you can take your trade there. If you don't see an inversion, that's not a problem. Just keep waiting a bit. Maybe you're going to have a change of a state. The second the change of a state gets broken, then you can enter your trade. But if you want a bit of extra confidence, which is not a problem at all, you can wait for a fair value gap, if there is one, to get retapped into that change of a state. The second you get that, you know automatically that your trade is going to play out, especially if you have a inversion fair value gap, change of a state, and a retest to a fair value gap. Oh my heaven lord, you are printing. You are going to print. It's as simple as that. There's literally nothing more you can say. So I hope this makes sense. If it doesn't, don't worry. I'm going to show you another example in the charts right now. So starting off here, what do we see? We see a sell side liquidity get swept right here. Not only that, with ES, we had a SMT right down here. So this is already saying, okay, like we are 100% going to come back into the zone and play it out. Also, we have a little change of a state right here on the last series of downward candles. Now we have a reversal right here. Now we would take, this is jumped a bit too forward. Right here, we have a fair value gap right at this change of a state. So right here, we'll take our long position. We'd also take a standard deviation from the SMT lows right to the break of that fair value gap, which is right here. I completely forgot to mark it out. There we go. So what you would do, stop loss right below the protected lows because there's an SMT. So if we were to come back down and fake out this SMT, then automatically this trade is going to be canceled. Now what you want to do, take profit right at that -2, and now simply just let it play out. And we can also see we created a inversion fair value gap. So now this is honestly like I just close my eyes and we're gonna hit this take profit. It's as simple as that. Like guys, honestly, oh my god, easiest damn strategy in the freaking world. I don't know why no one teaches this again. As I said at the beginning of the video, I really don't know why. It's like I can honestly do this with my eyes closed. I can like wake up a minute before market open. I can still be like half sleeping and I'll be able to find the strategy because it happens almost every single day in the market, especially New York Open. That's the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed it and have a blessed day.